Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here in Lincoln Woods and I'm about to go ahead and do some kayaking for the first time. Alright, so here we are. There's Stacy. Alright, so it's beautiful. It's kind of cold out, but let's go ahead and do this. There's Stacy over there teaching me how to kayak. Alright guys, so it's pretty cool. It's not that hard actually. These kayaks that we rented is $10 per hour per person. Let me show you here. Stacy. Wave, Stacy.
Somebody brought their own kayak.
Yeah. Pretty nice, peaceful, awesome. What can I say? Enjoying the day here. Sunday.
Okay, we're headed for that bush thing. Where are you going?
Just turning around.
Picking up speed now.
Huh?
Picking up speed now.
Trying to turn around again.
You're a professional.
It's good exercise.
Yeah, it is, especially for your arms.
Whoa.
Crash!
No crash.
Grab the handle.
That's good. What's up guys? I'm back. Just relaxing over here, chilling. I'm trying to get over there to the middle of nowhere. Where's Stace? Stace is over there, like taking a little nap, relaxing, enjoying the day. So it's cool. This is pretty deep over here. But we got these awesome kayaks which are very stable. Yep, so that's how it is. Woo!
Yeah.
That was awesome. It's like a plane taking off.
It's because you were talking to them.
Actually, I'm gonna add this to my newly found list of hobbies because I'm actually really digging this. I may actually even go and buy a kayak one of these days and go to Vermont and kayak over there or Maine or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm. Down a river.
Down a river. No, that's a little too dangerous. We don't want to get stuck with a bear eating salmon or something. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. It's very calm, as I said before. Oh yeah. So basically get an hour plus what, you know, he said they're not really strict on that, but oh, there's a boat with motor.
Oh yeah, maybe you can only have a certain type of motor.
Yeah, you can hear all the birds and all that stuff, so it's pretty cool.